Hello everyone, this is Daniel here, and today I wanted to go over a new feature in the 2025 Forester, and that's the rear tailgate, and specifically the kick-assisted tailgate opener. So you've got your new 2025 Forester, and you're wondering how to open this tailgate. So first step is you want to make sure you've got the key on you. As long as it's on you and you're within 2 feet of the vehicle, the car will know that you're here. And next thing you want to do is you just want to do a simple kick just underneath the rear bumper here. And Subaru tells it that it should just be like a quick swipe. Just like this, you'll hear it beep. And then the tailgate opens up. Now the tailgate can actually be paused as well. So if while it's opening, if you wanted to pause it or stop the motion, you simply do another kick there and it would actually stop. And it closes in the same way. Of course, we've got still the buttons here to operate it, but if you wanted to close it with the kick assist, you can do that as well. So again, you simply come here, there's my feet, I just do a simple kick motion, you can hear it beeping, and when it's beeping a few times like this, that's it's actually asking you to move back a couple of steps. You could hear it go beep, beep, before it actually closing, and that's it's asking me to move away, and then once I've moved away, it started closing. So pretty simple system. Just have the key on you and kick just right there. A straightforward kick, not side to side, simply straight forward and back, and then it will open and close. Now as you're doing this, if you're having a hard time or if it's not working for you, you'd of course want to make sure that the system is on, and for that the button is right here. So you can see the button has indications on it. It's not that straightforward, but it shows here if the button is out, if it's sort of like larger, then the system is on. If it's pressed on, as you can see right here, if it's pressed, it will actually turn off. So when the button is quote unquote smaller or stubbier, as it shows here in the visual, then the system is off. If it's out like this, it's on. It's nice to be able to turn it off and on to avoid any accidental openings of the tailgate when you're back there. But at the same time, it shouldn't happen too much because it's not a hand motion activated, it's kick motion activated. So probably won't go off on its own too many times there. The other thing to keep in mind on this system is that if you have a hitch installed, that sensor will be removed as well. So if you have a hitch installed, then that kick motion operation goes away as well. So that's just something to consider, but still a great feature to have from factory. And on the Canadian models, this will be on all of our trim levels that are from the touring trim level and up. So mid-trim level and up will have that feature. Thanks again for watching. Leave any comments if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.